Okay, we are live on YouTube and TikTok. You don't stop. So, all right. Hello, everybody. Again, I'm live on YouTube. Good morning, Kwood. So, Ben Key doing well, is it? Good. I haven't looked at the chart in a while. Hello, BTC Casual, Khalid. Greetings, Marco from Ljubljana. I know I totally mispronounced your name, or the name of your capital. Larry, hello. Big truck. What do you mean? I've noticed you've said big truck a lot in those comments. I don't know what you mean by that. Good morning, Puddin' Talk. Hello, Connie. Cody answering the call. How's HEEHEE going? You know what? We've had a good 24 hours, but then somebody's wallet got hacked and he had $8,000 of HEEHEE, and then the hacker dumped all of it and sent us back down. And so we're just hovering right now because of that. You know, we would be up a decent amount with HEEHEE if it wasn't for like an $8 sale and $8,000 sale and then another $7,000 in sells this morning. But the number of buys versus sells, it heavily outweighs the sells. The number of buyers versus sellers, we're adding new holders. So HEEHEE looks great. Do I buy influencer coins? If I can buy them early, yeah, I'll buy anything. Market update. Bought HEEHEE every day this week. Awesome. Market update. I mean, we've been in a range for 90 days. It's like there's always positive things. There's positive developments. The spot ETFs are adding, not depleting their supply. I do believe we're going to hold the 100-day EMA. We've been holding it for a while. So I'm bullish. Crow with knife every day. Or crow with knife. That's great. Is Katy Perry another top signal? I don't know. I mean, we've seen some celebrities launching meme coins lately. Could you call that a top signal? It might be, but it's nothing like it was in 2021. So good morning, Crypto Whisperer. All right, everyone on YouTube here. JN, Megs, Andres, Lavi, Luis, Sulman, hello. Nathan, do you agree that bare naked crypto is just a clown? No comment. GM, Tim, John, good morning. Eddie, good morning. Hello from Malaysia, Zam. Can Pepe still do a 10 to 20x? It could when I was saying a $45 billion market cap, and now it's above a $4.5 billion market cap. And so what do you want to say? It could still. So bom dia. Marv on ETH, I'm not going to look it up. I mean, cool. Hello. Good morning, A101. All right, time to answer some questions. Let's answer some questions. And guys, again, on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Live on YouTube. I can answer every question there. I cannot answer every question on TikTok. Andy on ETH, I looked into it. The chart looks good. And on base. So AOs, very bullish on AOs. Thoughts on Ocean now that the merger is announced for the 13th? Pretty sure it'll be a sell-off event for the FET guys. Ocean's 4.23 extension, still at $7-ish. I'm not touching any of those. Ocean, Fetch, Ajax, I don't know. What made you pick Pendle? Research. I researched the crypto. I mean, so that my first ever video on Pendle was a paid promotion. I disclosed that in the video. Ever since then, I have been talking about Pendle at my own will. I love Pendle. I have not, ever since that initial video, my thoughts on Pendle, I mean, just the research that I had to do, that was the hardest I had ever worked on a video. The research that I had to do on Pendle made me absolutely convinced. And Pendle, yeah, you can laugh all you want at research. I did a ton of research. It took me 4 hours to make a 4-minute video. But keep on going on research. I could go on for 20 minutes nonstop right now talking about Pendle and how awesome it is because I did the work. That's what I do. I do work in researching cryptos, unlike a lot of other people. So get out of here with that nonsense. You don't know what you're talking about. Pal AI, when you think it reaches your price prediction? At the end. So, hello WP. Think you'll get my money back after Boge hack? I'm not going to get your money back. Maybe you will. I'm assuming that's what you're asking. I think Boge is going to be okay. Any reason behind the slump today? It's at $68,000. We're just in a range. So, top 3 meme coins. Looking to move some capital over to memes. All right, obviously, HEEHEE. I mean, you shouldn't even need to hear that from me. There's one that I'm very intrigued by. It's called Tonald. It is a ton-based meme coin. There are very few ton-based meme coin. The growth sector for ton is huge. So I bought in, and I bought a little more today. It doubled, and then I bought a little bit more today. So it's TONALD. You still think 333 for PAL, or you think it goes higher? I don't know where PAL is right now. And then another meme coin, I don't know. You know, a lot of those political meme coins. I did make one on SOBA. Yeah, I'd still say 333 for PAL. I made one on FK Biden. I think those can do well. Solnick. Brett Bull Run market cap, maybe 10 billion. Why is the market playing up? I don't know what you mean. Pendle price prediction, $57. Thank you, Crypto Inc. Opinion on Turbo. I mean, it pumped like crazy, and I think it's going to chop for a little bit, so I wouldn't touch it short term, but it's probably going to do well during the euphoria. So, are you bullish on base network tokens? Very much so, yeah. And actually, I was thinking about this. There's some base network tokens I bought this week. It seems like my base cryptos do better than my Solana cryptos. So, are we going through a dump? I mean, we're just chopping. This has been one of the most boring weeks. I don't think we're gonna chop. MAGA Solana, haven't looked into it. Pendle price prediction again, $57. Thank you, Marco. Prediction for Manta, I don't know, but look at any of these cryptos that you've asked about. I've already made YouTube videos for 120 of them. Chances are I've already made a video for the cryptos you're asking for a price prediction. And so check it out. Just all you have to do is search World War Bitcoin and then the crypto. Heard the SEC is coming after guys like you. There are no guys like me, King Khan. Yeah, I created a cryptocurrency and then I burned my entire bag. Nice try, I guess. Prediction for Andy on ETH. I don't have one. Jasmine prediction at 11.5 cents. That seems way too low. So could you type CA for HEEHEE? Here we go. Contract address for HEEHEE. Starts with 90 love. Just saying the facts. You're saying BS, man. You don't know what you're talking about. Goodbye, King Khan. Why would they? Why are they coming out? Why would they be coming after me? That's he's just trying to stir up crap. There's this guy. I followed him for like a day on X, and it's insane. 11.5 cents for Jasmine. It's probably too low. Pendle, $57 again. This guy, Pauly, he has a little under 300,000 followers on X. And I saw him in real time. He posted a link to a crypto. It's called Floki. It's called Floki on Solana. So not Floki, but just Floki on Solana. And he owned, when he posted the link, he owned 28% of that supply. And then he saw, I just followed the chart. The chart went from a $50,000 market cap to a $2 million market cap. And his wallet, he just dumped. He sold within an hour. He sold $300,000 worth of that crypto. And it's all public. And so maybe the SEC is going after guys like him. I'm not doing anything remotely close to that. It's disgusting. His name's Pauly 0x. Imagine having enough time to spend when someone's live stream heckling them for a project they've been successful in. Yeah, totally. If Bitcoin dominance drops, is that the top for Bitcoin? No, the top for it can still go. Have you got your own coin? Where have you been? HEEHEE. That's legal though. I'm assuming I'm assuming it's not. I don't know. So if Bitcoin dominance drops, is that the top for Bitcoin? Bitcoin can still rise, but what you'll see is altcoins rise a little bit more. So I saw that rug. What's your price prediction for Aerodrome? 3220. Beam pump today. Sold the pump. Going to buy the Retrace Smart. Yeah, Beam's going to do very well. What's your price prediction for SQT? I've never heard of it. They're coming after you because you are for the people. You are the people's lawyer. Okay. Do you think CSwap will reach 0.8 to $1? What's ChainSwap at right now? How do you ever deal with the same questions over and over again? It gets tiring. Yeah. 0.8 to $1. Yeah, I could see that for ChainSwap. Yep. You just snitched, LOL. Okay. What do you think about SQT? I don't know anything about SQT. Boomer on base. I've looked at that. It's fine. Do you think Bitcoin is going higher next week? I'm not going to say anything about next week. I think it's going to hold the 100-day EMA. The 100-day EMA is at $65,000. I also think it's going to hold its change of character level, which is at about $67,000. So maybe a wick down to the 100-day EMA next week or something like that. But the 100-day EMAs just keeps on rising. It's rising. It's climbing. I think we're going to hold it. So, did you see Santa Clara won the league? You should try to get HEEHEE as the shirt sponsor one day. Santa Clara won what league? Your top meme coin plays. HEEHEE. Tonald. It's a ton-based Politify meme coin. There's a lot. By the way, everybody, my price target spreadsheet, you can see it in the links of any of my YouTube videos. And I added a new tab for meme coins that I'm looking to invest in, and some that I've already invested in. And so just check out that tab. I'll post a link in the YouTube live stream here. If you want that link and you're on TikTok, head on over to YouTube real quick and check it out. I just posted the link there to my spreadsheet, and it's on my X account. I posted it on my X account yesterday, WW Bitcoin. So is alt season and euphoria the same thing? Kinda. Alt season somewhat precedes euphoria, just a little bit, but when alt season, when we see these massive gains on these altcoins, it draws a lot of people in, and that kicks off euphoria. So, hello, Suhaib. HEEHEE chart looking bullish. Oh wait, hold on a second. Will ADA really surpass previous all-time high? I am getting a little bit less confident about some of those dinosaur cryptos because I think the market is going to just, like, meme coins are just going to absorb everything in some way. And so we'll see. I'm sticking with my $4.86 price target for Cardano. So Thorchain, Rune, I like Thorchain. They make money. So I'm bullish on Thorchain. Let me see what my price target is. $54.86 is my price target on Thorchain. Bird Dog on Solana, another meme coin. Okay. What's your prediction for Redo on the Ton chain? I don't know anything about Redo. But yeah, the HEEHEE chart's looking bullish. I mean, it's very flat, but look at this. Buys and sells, 149 buys versus 64 sells over the last 24 hours. 98 buyers versus 48 sellers. We would be about, I don't know, 8% higher right now if one of our holders didn't get hacked and then the hacker dumped $8,000 worth. So Trump MAGA coins, Politify meme coins, they're going to do well. ETH prediction 11,689. Is this the end for Pepe run, or would it run in the bull run? Oh, it's going to run. It's very much going to run in the bull run. So yeah. Let's get this altcoin running, alt run coming. Okay. Check out Turbo Maga, is so undervalued, rated #1 base, fun, amazing community, transparent team. Nah. And you're spamming, so I'm going to have to mute you for the rest of the live. So put user in timeout. You are in a timeout for 24 hours. Let's see. Santa Clara won the Portuguese second division. The Azores team. Oh, okay. Santa Clara. I realize that 37% of my portfolio is now in meme coins, good or bad. Yes. It's good. It's bad. It's just, it is what it is. Prediction on HEEHEE, I can't give you one, but it's massive disappointment if it doesn't get over $100 million market cap. It's very much going to get over $100 million. Bitcoin pump or dump? Not dump. It might chop for a while, but not a dump. Prediction for DOP, I don't know. Skillful AI, nope, nothing. I got nothing for you. Ondo, one of my top favorites, very bullish. I have 10K right now. How should I spend them? Crypto. I'll give you 6 cryptos. Ondo, Pendle, AOS, Render, LCX, HEEHEE. Habibi is a scammer. Who's Habibi? Opinion on Aleph.im, not Alephium. I know it's not Alephium. Aleph.im is please stop spamming, Leo. I don't know anything about it. HEEHEE market cap, current market cap is 5 million, something like that. Will Shiba go past all-time high? I believe it will go to 0.000229192. That's about a 2.6x from its previous all-time high. Pesci, a 3x in a few days. Cool. That's a good reason to not buy it right now. Stochastic for HEEHEE looks good. Okay. Catch was hacked. Do you think they'll recover? I don't know anything about Catch, so I am bullish on gaming, but towards the end. Did you buy back into Duke on the dip, Alex? Looks like Joshua was behind it. Watched his live last night. I did. Yeah, Shubaduki. What a name. I sold most of it at the top because I was just like, man, I have a feeling right now. I have a bad feeling, and it was the top. And then I bought back in like halfway from the bottom to the top to its current price, I mean. So Shubaduki. It's active. What exchange is HEEHEE on? It's on the Solana blockchain. You can get it on Radium, on Jupiter, on Coinbase Wallet. You can get on Coinbase Wallet. Bonk price prediction. I don't have one. I could see another 10x in it. Are you still bullish on Ondo? Of course I am. Yes, absolutely. Very bullish on Ondo. I think Trump being elected would be a catalyst like never before. I think the market will pop, but I think on the other side of the election, no matter who wins, is something worse than 2008, but not as bad as the Great Depression. Sorry, I need to give a word to my sponsor. This live stream is brought to you by McDonald's. Do the do. Okay. So what wallet did you use for Tonald? It's a ton-based wallet. I don't remember the name of it. Ton wallet. Prefer Starbucks. I can't stand Starbucks. I don't know. You're just going to have to Google it. Sorry about that. HEEHEE making a lot of moves lately. Yeah. Swedish guy was saying last night he would go to 7 cents and next leg up and hit 22 cents this run. Yeah, Devin. I don't think he was saying 22 cents would be the peak. But there we go. He 20, like, all right, let's say he's right, 22 cents. That is a 30x. That's more than 30x, I think. No, it's a 30x. So I think it's going to go, well, no. I don't think anything as far as price predictions on HEEHEE. So any thoughts on Mamba, Sage involved? Team took last coin at 200 million, bought the dip at 11 million. That sounds good. I don't know anything else about it. So how do I buy HEEHEE? I already said he said it would run like Doge did. So just, all right, click on the link in my profile, the link in my Telegram, or sorry, my TikTok profile. Join the Telegram group. They can help you. Do I think, by the way, do you call it HEEHEE or HEEHEE? It's kind of confusing for potential investor. I call it the ticker is HEEHEE. The crypto name has 3 E's. So I think Pepe will overtake Doge and SHIB. It's possible. I'm going to guess no. You think this bull run will come starting June or July? I think we'll get up to a 702 retrace on the total by July. So are those top 6 a 10x or more? It's not a matter of X's. It's a matter of conviction that those will rise. And so, sure, yeah. Do I think DeSci will be a strong narrative? Yes. July market cap total. I got nothing for you. 1.33 trillion for the total 2. Is Alex Labs at 10x from current price? Yes. Can XYO be bullish this year? Definitely. Your predictions are all realistic. That's why I love your page. Thank you, Jeremy. Thoughts on price target on Blender? Nope. Too new, too small. I don't have a price target for Blender. TARS. Somebody told me that beam pump today, so yeah, I saw it. It's going to do much better than that. LCX prediction $7.37. TARS. I made a video last week on it. Still very bullish. Do you update your sheet / price prediction as time goes on? No. It's locked in. Once it's in my spreadsheet, it's locked in. So I do think that some of those will go higher than my price targets, like AOS, Render, Ondo. They'll probably all go higher. Aurora. I just did some analysis yesterday on Aurora, and my price target's probably going to disappoint all of you. My price target is $2.10. So BitTensor Tau prediction 2761. Will Loopring hit $1 by the end of 2024? Sure. Guys, again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm seeing a lot of questions about cryptos that I've already spent a lot of time reviewing. Please head over to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin, and just type in World War Bitcoin, and then whatever crypto you're interested in, there's a good chance I've already talked about it, made a video about it. Unless it's new, unless it's like brand new, then I haven't. So thoughts on Trump conviction? I think it's well, let me just say this. A lot of people who I tend to agree with, who don't really care about Donald Trump, they say it's an absolute sham. I did not really look into it enough to give my own opinions. So, and from everything that I know, it has no effect on the election. From what I understand, he's going to appeal and win the appeal. So, do you have conviction on Cody, and is your prediction the same? Yes. Tunkeeper. That's where I bought Tonald. So, yes, the McHeehee burger. That's what we need to do. The McHeehee burger. Pepe and Pepe 2 price prediction. I don't know what Pepe 2 is. I mean, aside from it's a second Pepe 2, but I don't know if it's like the same team behind it. Pepe, my prediction's a $45 billion market cap. Will you do marketing like Brett and Floki to HEEHEE? Of course, yes. I'm going to be relentless with HEEHEE when Euphoria returns. Everything, I'm just going to warn you now, everything is going to be about HEEHEE. Everything. Every tweet, every video, maybe not literally every video, but if you're tired of it now, you're going to vomit it. Thoughts on PayPal moving to Solana? I didn't even know that was happening. Yeah, Tunkeeper, yep. Should you change the country of your VPN? Depends on the exchange you're going to use. Yes. It depends on what location. You know, Australia's worked well for me with Bybit. With BingX. So why are you so much about HEEHEE? Because I created it. I'm the founder. When to buy Ondo now or wait? Let me see the Ondo chart. And again, TikTok, I'm live. I'm live on YouTube. I mean, it had a nice solid pump. So where's it going to go right now? It's kind of in the middle of no man's land. If you don't own any Ondo, I would buy some right now. But why don't we see HEEHEE on CoinMarketCap so we can make a favorite Sobacan? We applied for fast track, so just please wait. Please be patient. Practical impacts of reduction in Fed tightening. Bullish, very bullish. Yeah, that was a catalyst that sent Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was at $57,000 a few weeks ago, the Fed all of a sudden turned dovish for the first time in a year and a half, and we responded accordingly. So ETH prediction changed with ETFs. Nope. What are you thinking about LRC loop ring still 409? Guys, please stop. Just stop doing this one thing. It's kind of the same question. Are you still bullish, and is your price prediction still the same? If my price target in the spreadsheet is there, it's locked in, and nothing is changing it. I could hit, I could miss. My price target for loop ring is still $4.09. If I've talked about a cryptocurrency in 2024 and I was bullish on it at any point in 2024, I am still bullish on it except for Syncus and except for Earn Finance. Other than that, I am still bullish on literally every cryptocurrency I've talked about. My price target, we're only 5 months into 2024. We have a long way to go in this bull run. Even if we hit peak euphoria at the end of 2024, or even if we hit it in a few months, we still have a long way to go. So, like, some of you ask me questions. Are you still bullish on this cryptocurrency that you were bullish on a week ago? And oh my goodness, please. What you're probably doing is you're spending way too much time looking at the charts and looking at the price. You're probably checking it every 5 minutes, and you've got to stop doing that. I mean, if you look at something like the 2017 bull run, the daily candles on the 2016-2017 bull run, it looks like it all happens very quickly, but we're talking about a 2-year span where Bitcoin went up and then had a 30% correction, up again, another 30% correction, up again, 39% correction. This happened nonstop for a year and a half to 2 years. And all throughout that time, I was not a content creator at that time, but all throughout that time, I'm sure that people were asking those same questions. You know, are you still bullish on such and such cryptocurrency? And it's nauseating because, like, we still have a lot of time left, and each day it's just a grind, and it's okay, man. Just zoom out. Oh, what's the best way to reach me? I mean, I'd prefer if you didn't. But are you still bullish? I'm assuming that's a joke. Yes. Why do you want to reach out to me? I mean, I see your username is blue check. If you're going to get me a blue check on TikTok, then I'm very interested in talking to you. If you want me to shill some meme coin that's under $100,000 market cap, go away, please. I'd appreciate it. So send me a message on TikTok. I don't find HEEHEE on CoinMarketCap. It's coming on CoinMarketCap. You can find it on CoinGecko. What's your current price prediction for AOS? And it is a good buy right now. I'd say AOS is a pretty good buy right now. My price prediction is $3.40. I'm not changing it. It's locked in, you know. All right, Bitcoin DRIII says Bitcoin bull run was from 15K to 73K. A bunch of 2030 bag holders created the last month. NJOI. What does NJOI mean? NJOI. North Jersey Orthopedic Institute. Okay. Yeah. I'm now realizing what enjoy, right? You couldn't just say ENJOY. You had to save yourself a letter. You're like Kevin from The Office. Why use many word when few word does trick? That's who I have as my opposition here is people spelling NJOI and making me think for like 5 minutes about what you're talking about. Sorry, I'm a little feisty. I'm assuming this morning. I love you too, white chocolate. Are you still behind Sora? You mentioned a while ago. Yeah, I mean, meme coins, man. Meme coins, they're all when Euphoria returns, wasn't it just because of the character limit? You can still, I don't think so. It seemed like a short enough comment. Do you blue check mark on Twitter? Yes, I pay the $16 a month for the blue check mark. I have no other accounts. Enjoy looking me up on Twitter, WW Bitcoin, NJOI. Strongest RWA projects. Any thoughts on Goldfinch? I like Goldfinch. Ondo, Pendle, Rio, Propsy. Those are my 4. What's your number 1 crypto conviction or top 2 to 3 to 4x this year? Pendle, Ondo, Render, AOs, LCX, HEEHEE. Ring AI launching its platform today. That's cool. Yeah. Mikhail voting for Donald Trump. You know, if you are neutral, all right, I don't want to get banned on TikTok. If you are neutral and you're interested in good short-term gains, not financial advice, you should vote for Donald Trump. If you are a bleeding heart liberal or a diehard Republican, vote for who you vote for. Okay, I don't love Donald Trump. I don't hate him. In fact, what I would say is, I think every president in my lifetime has been pretty terrible. Maybe I'll piss off both sides today. Everyone. And I really can't blame them, because to do the right thing would have you'd have to inflict a lot of short-term pain, and everyone would hate you, and everyone would blame you for all of that. And that's exactly what we need. And then the next president would come in and fix everything and be labeled a hero, and you'd be called the worst president of all time. So who's going to do that? Who's going to do that? I don't know. If I was president, would I be willing to do that? Maybe I would, but maybe I wouldn't, because I know the next guy would be the hero of the world. And I'd be the scapegoat for all of the problems, but they're all terrible. They've all been terrible. I have not liked. I was born in 1982, so I'm talking every single one of them. Anyway, I guess you're right, but no one likes Biden. I mean, oh, Joe Biden. You either love Trump or you hate Trump. That's how you're voting. HEEHEE, where do you see it 2025? Much higher. Brett is about to hit $1 billion market cap. Hey, I made a video on Brett earlier this week. We'll see a wave in 2025. A wave of what? Joe Biden is really smart. Okay. Thoughts on Arrow? Very bullish, 32.20. You speak to Sage. He's bringing out his own coin soon. Yeah, he sent me a message asking for advice. And I warned him that if he launches his own coin, he needs to treat it like a full-time job, or don't launch it at all. So will the bull run continue in 2025? There will be some semblances of a bull run, but I think the peak of euphoria is going to happen this year. All right, let's see. Market did pump on initial news of dovishness, but now there will be extra $35 billion a month. Where does that money flow first? What gets impacted first? Bond market, and then what? I don't know. I mean, do you consider that an extra $35 billion a month when all that is that the Fed's not unwinding as much? Maybe you want to call it that. That's fine. Thank you, Crypto Storm 48. I really appreciate you. If you invest in crypto and don't vote Trump, you deserve to get rugged. What do I think of MAGA Trump? I think it's going to do well up into the election. Duke 2x from where you called it. Nice. Yeah. I mean, I didn't call anything. Somebody commented and said that Joshua Jake was talking about it, and then I bought some. Well, no, actually, I didn't buy any. I thought I bought some during my live stream, but I ended up not buying it. And then I bought the peak, but then I sold a little bit higher. Well, I didn't buy the peak. I bought it $1 million market cap, but then I got nervous around 1.1 million, and then it dumped, and I bought some more. So I sold a decent amount at 1.1 million. Moved all my ADA to ICP and HEEHEE and ICP to HEEHEE. There we go. Let's go. My first bull market. Thank you. You teach me much. Listen to me. I'm dead serious. You want to make money right now? Listen to people like Ty. Listen to Sage. That's fine. But at some point, you're going to benefit a lot more from listening to me. What's wrong with ADA and ICP? Nothing. I was just reading somebody's comment. So, HEEHEE is a store of value. I know you majored in economics, so would love your perspective. Yeah. Clan Candle. I don't know what Clan Candles is. All right. Any thoughts on Sturdy? I don't know anything about it. Thoughts on GameSwift? Another one I don't know anything about. The issue with Donald Trump conviction is going to affect the crypto markets. No. He's going to appeal. He's going to win the appeal. Way more benefit listening to you. Thank you, Angel Man. I've lost more money listening to Ty than anyone else. I'm reading Jerry's comment and I'm thinking about that because, I mean, let me tell you this. Ty was crazy bullish on AOs when it was at like 2 cents. And that's one of my top plays right now. And so I'm thinking about that. I'm like, I got that from Ty. I hadn't really heard of AOs until he mentioned it. And there's certain cryptocurrencies that when he talks about that he talks about with so much conviction that it's just, I got to listen. So I've made money listening to Ty. There's other ones, I bought like Based Games. That didn't do anything. He talked about that. But I think my overall return to listening to him is net positive. I don't watch a ton of his videos. I don't watch a ton of anyone's videos. So on what network is he? Solana. So how would you explain to someone new why LCX can hit $5 to $7 in short explanation? You could watch my YouTube video. That's what I would do. I would explain to them, search on YouTube, World War Bitcoin, and then LCX, and you'll find my price prediction video where I go in depth on that. And so I don't have to spend 5 minutes talking about that during this live stream when there's a bunch of other questions. This is entertaining. Keeping spamming you, Alex, till you look into Soul Docs. Sorry, much love. Well, you know what, Hamza, you're not spamming. You're going to remind me every day. Eventually, I'll get to it. I check every hour. Can you add a widget to show the amount of TikTok streamers? No. And there's 266 in my live stream right now on TikTok. Can you explain Bonk's relation to Solana? I actually can't. I don't know other than it's a Solana-based meme coin. I know there was something with the Solana phone that got a lot of people excited and caused Bonk to go on a tear. So anything about Ben Key? Nothing. I'm just very bullish on it. Ty just talks. Haven't seen him chart ever. I mean, I am more knowledgeable in general than Ty, but he has 5 times as many followers as I do, 4 times as many followers. So there's something about his branding that that works and gets people excited. Whenever I watch a Ty video, I get excited. I get excited about crypto. So vote libertarian, easy to do civic duty, third party, and pro crypto since it was invented. Yeah, I mean, a bunch of libertarians got into crypto early, so maybe they're going to be the power base. Well, no, the Jews are always going to be the power base. So, all right, maybe I'll just... McDonald's. This live stream is brought to you by McDonald's. Oh, wait, I need that cup. Mog on Solana's doing well. You should have bought yesterday. Cool. DM and start learning about crypto as a new beginner here. What? How much HEEHEE do you personally hold? There was a time that I held $7 million worth. Actually, at one point, it was worth $14 million. But then I burned it. And so ever since then, I've been buying and adding to liquidity. So right now, I would say I probably own like $5,000 of HEEHEE. And I don't know if I'm ever going to remove that from liquidity. I'm just trying to support my own project. I want to, right now, Shiba Inu has $9.9 million of liquidity. That's for a multi-billion-dollar crypto. I believe that HEEHEE will one day have $9.9 million of liquidity. That potentially I will add $9.9 million to its liquidity. And we'll see. We'll see. But I am in this for the long haul. During the bear market, I'm going to be buying a lot of Solana and a lot of HEEHEE and putting that into liquidity. So, all right. So, got some spammers here. Oh my goodness. I really need a mod. Whoever this DM, and there's multiple people commenting, DM and start learning about crypto. Because of that, I can now look at HEEHEE and go in. There you go, Jerry. Oh, Sassy Guru. Yeah, I'll definitely make you a mod. Thank you, Sassy. Watch Calvin Hill to get hype. Yeah. I don't watch much of him either. So yeah, do it, but do as I say, not as I do. So thoughts on ICP? It hasn't pumped in a while. That's what happens in crypto. I know it seems like it's supposed to be very exciting all the time. That's not always the case. So ICP, look, I mean, it's been holding this level right here. 1154, 1155, that would be a good longing point. Yeah, Kenny, market cap of HEEHEE is 5.3 million. V just joined. I needed you like 2 minutes ago, but it's all good because I put Sassy Guru as a moderator. So do you feel ICCP will drop more? It may wick below 1155, but that's where I would be longing it. Let's see. Good morning, Jeff. I listened to the HEEHEE AMA last night. C-Suite is killing it. Zach, if I was not the voice of HEEHEE, Zach would be the voice. If I died tonight, if I disappeared, Zach would be my vote to be the man. So Ty said he's got $250,000 ICP. Yeah, he's very bullish on ICP. What is longing position? Just buying it, but maybe with leverage. So Pesci, I've checked out Pesci before. All right, Blue Check, I see you there. I see you. All right, let's see. The crypto network guy made by 3K of LRC at 52 cents, and now I'm down 1,500. Yeah, listen, Suhaib, this is something, Thomas. Here's something. So there's a guy I follow on X. His username is Dr. Profit. He's pretty good. He's okay. But yesterday he posted about Luna, and he was talking about how bullish he was on Luna. It was just one quick tweet. And so I bought some Luna, and it was something that I just wanted to buy it and sell it and get out. And it's down like 15% from his tweet. And it seems like every time I buy something based off of what somebody else is saying, even if it's a person whose opinion I very much respect, that same thing happens. And I'm not talking about meme coins. Like, meme coins are actually, they tend to do very well when somebody talks about them. But ones the blue chips, you know, the not calling Luna a blue chip, but the ones that have a lot of liquidity, the ones that have a big market cap, the ones that people talk about that, even with them talking about it's not going to move the price all that much. So you can just trust the TA. It seems like every time I buy something, because somebody else with their own charting expresses a lot of conviction in it, and I just want to make a quick buck, and that's that key highlight there. And I just want to make a quick buck, I end up losing. And so that's what happened with Luna yesterday. Did you buy Pesci? No, I didn't. There's too many options. So, Suhaib, Crypto Network said something about buying Loopring at 52 cents. Or no, Loopring's not at 52 cents. Oh my goodness, it better not be at 52 cents. Oh wow. Okay, so this is a while ago because Loopring did very well. It got up to 55 cents and then now it's at 26 cents. And so now you're down $1,500. I mean, Crypto Network, Rafi's he's good. He's good at what he does. But it happens. Which of the Limas did you buy? Limas? What? It's time to buy Pesci before it goes to 100 million. You're sounding a lot like a Schiller crypto whale. I meant Luna. Honk and Duco ripped. Show us another one. Yeah, man. I need to check out Honk. I haven't even looked at the charts. I just looked in my wallet today. And because that one looked amazing. And I was just looking at the chart. And so, yeah, Honk looks good. And that's in my price target spreadsheet in the meme coin section. All right, it's on the Pepe. It's on Pepe and it's the son of Pepe and Shib. Honk is or Duco? Oh no. I got a text from my wife. My sons have baseball games tomorrow. And now they're at the same time. I hate missing my son's baseball games. All right, let me see something here, and then I'll get back. I'm going to just go back to the Bitcoin chart on my YouTube channel here. Zach's the man. Yeah, Zach's the man. All right, let's see. After watching Ty and all the others, you are the only one I listen to. Well, thank you, Andrea. Aaron, question, exclamation. The Jews, LOL. They're in charge of everything. So, all right, Coach JV mentioned HEEHEE again yesterday. Cool. That's amazing. He has, I've watched, I think, one of his videos ever. Oh, no, I'm definitely not paying him. Listen, Thomas, I barely know him. I know he has 1.6 million followers. I started following him a couple weeks ago. He's got a long beard. He's heavy set. I'm assuming maybe he works out. Somebody said something that a common saying of his is "Rise up, warriors," and that's all I know about him. Aaron, Ministry of Crypto. Yeah, he's been a friend of mine for a while. So I have not seen any references to HEEHEE from him, but that's great, man. He's all in on XRP. Okay. I bought HEEHEE at 13 million. You think it will go up? Yes. All right. Please tell your followers, beware of scammers. Please don't click on links that they don't know. I was trying to download coin from pre-sale. Scammers are very slick. Yeah. Again, somebody got hacked yesterday. A HEEHEE holder, somebody with 1.3 million HEEHEE got hacked yesterday. And he clicked on a link. He downloaded something he shouldn't have downloaded. And then the hacker sold all of it at once. It was $8,000 worth. We had good momentum yesterday. And then that sent HEEHEE down, man. And it's really frustrating. So do not, Here, do not, if you see airdrop, the word airdrop in the comment section of any X post, assume it's a scam. And if you see airdrop in an X post, it might be legit, it might not be. But if you just see the word airdrop anywhere, be very, very cautious. I have even lost money. Not much, but I've lost some money because I was clicking on something, the wormhole airdrop. I was looking for where I was supposed to claim the W token, and I almost got tricked. I didn't get tricked, but I almost did, and I had a lot of money worth of crypto in that wallet, by my standards at least. So be very careful. Is Ben Key a high conviction 10x from now? There's no such thing as a high conviction 10x, but I really like Ben Key. RFK Jr., what about him? Kennedy and the Irish are the only ones who ever did it right. That's why they took them out. All right. Let's see. How much is a lot? $1 million. Not really, but why would I share with you that information? Let me tell you this. My net worth was once was once 8 figures. I am referring to HEEHEE. So hey, you know what? My net worth was once over 8 figures. My net worth now is under $1 million. So is that because I'm maybe hey, hit that unfollow button. Hit that unfollow button. Why would you listen to me? I once had a net worth over 8 figures, and now it's down under $1 million. And I'll even tell you this, that was within the span of the last couple months that I had a net worth over 8 figures, and now it's under $1 million. So, man, I lost. I'm a loser. I'm the biggest loser. Maybe that's true. I am the biggest loser percentage-wise in crypto in the last 2 months. Let's see. Yes, you're right. This is about 2 months ago. I don't know what you're talking about, Suhaib. Crypto Banter doing a Solana meme coin live stream on Sunday. They want tokens to use as giveaway during the stream. I'll hit them up. Where do you see 15K investment going, spreading between number 100 to 300 in bullish scenario and peak bull? You know, at the peak, maybe a 20x, but you're not gonna sell it at a 20x. I was scammed into airdrop 2 months ago, lost $2,100. Thank you, SSN. I'm not going to read your name, but thank you so much. Is that HEEHEE burn tax deductible? Man, I wish it was. I don't think it is. Pepe on fire randomly got airdropped into my Phantom wallet. Is that normal? Yes, it is, and be careful with that. But was the liquidity there? I mean, if I tried selling $14 million of HEEHEE when it was at its peak, I wouldn't have gotten $14 million, no. But if I took little bits out every day, I would have gotten a decent bag. Please don't forget the live on X today with Devin. Come on, man. You think we're going to hit 65,000 Bitcoin again before the run up? That would be the absolute lowest in my opinion. TIE price prediction, I don't have one. I'm bullish. I'm following you to the wheels fall off. Ride or die. Thank you, Jeff. Is Bitcoin in a bull flag pattern, or am I just seeing what I want to see? I wouldn't call that a bull flag. I mean, I can see the last 10 days or so. You could form a flag there. I would just expect more of a green candle. Oh. Will Taylor Swift get pregnant, though? Is that something that she wants right now? I mean, she is in her 30s. What, she's 33, 34. But Swifty's coin going up 1,000%. That wouldn't surprise me. One of you, by the way, one of you had me stalking Paris Hilton's X account yesterday, thinking that she was going to drop some meme coin. Wasted my time. There's a lot more that I'd rather be doing with my life than hitting refresh on Paris Hilton's X account. She didn't drop a meme coin. She's dropping an album. Thank you so much, whoever you are, for wasting my time. I'm a graduate school dropout? Okay. Crypto Banter has almost 800K subs. Could get a lot of eyes on HEEHEE. Okay. How often do hackers get caught? I have no idea. Is there a Swift coin? If she got pregnant, I'm sure like any Taylor Swift related coin would do well. USDT 10x, do you think? Why so bearish? USDT to the moon. Have you not seen my video that I made on April 1st? You copping any turbo? Not right now. Hey, dude, have you heard of Noblocks? I'm in on Noblocks. I'm very bullish on it. Have you heard of DOT is dead? I was in Polkadot from the very beginning. It's super disappointing. And I made a price target video on my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Head over there, hit the subscribe button. And hey, HEEHEE, good morning. My price target for Polkadot is not a new all-time high. So, yeah, Jasmine, 11.5 cents. That's probably too bearish. All right, going on third cruise this year, next week, first Bitcoin ETF, second you burn, something coming next week. All right, let's see, GS Dave. What do you think would be a bigger year for crypto, 2024 or 2025? I am in the minority saying 2024. Yeah, premium service for HEEHEE. Again, all right, guys. If you hold 20,000 HEEHEE, we are launching a premium Discord with some of the best analysis you could find. You know, you guys are paying, what, $80 a month for a Discord, $100 a month for access to a premium Discord. And with this Discord, all you have to do is hold 20,000 HEEHEE. You hold 20,000 of something that will go up in value. You will gain access to the same quality, if not better quality, than any other premium Discord you could possibly find. And, you know, I mean, what's his name? Crypto Network. He's got something like 30,000 people in his Discord. If we had 30,000 people in the premium Discord, nice Crypto Big Daddy. If we had 30,000 people in the premium Discord, that would lock up like 80+%, like 85% of the supply. Now, I mean, if you can always sell it, then you can sell it and you'll exit the Discord and lose out on that. But we will make it worth it for you to not want to sell. So anyway. Yeah, you're a fan. Man, Paris Hilton. I'm a huge Paris Hilton fan. Have you reviewed Algorand? Yes, I did. $1.72. So from what you said for DOT, Alex, you mean it's really dead. Well, here's the deal with Polkadot. Developer activity is incredibly high on Polkadot. But I think it might be one of those things where it's a sunk cost fallacy, where it's just they've attracted a lot of developers and they're there, so they're still working on it. But the developer growth is very slow for Polkadot. So I think they're just kind of sticking with it, hoping that something sticks, the developers at least. But if you look at historic market cap dominance, they just keep on losing ground. So seems like with the catalyst coming our way, the bull run might not peak by the end of the year, but rather in 2025. Do you agree? No, I'm saying 2024. Well, all right, here's the deal. Here's one thing that would make me think that it would peak in 2025. It is now, according to the CME FedWatch tool, now it's less than 50-50 that they're going to lower, that the Fed is going to lower rates in September. The next meeting after that would be November 1st. And so let's say they lower rates in November instead of September. I've been talking about this 2-month window where there would be a euphoria after lowering rates. And so maybe that's what's going to happen. Maybe we'll see a 2-month run after November with a peak in January or something like that, with alts at least. So Alex, what are your thoughts on creating a private membership club where you would give us premium content? At some point, sure, but that's what the HEEHEE Discord's going to be. And listen, I want to up my game a little bit more. I want to make it worth it for you. I want to I right now, if it wasn't for the content creation side of things, I would be a full-time trader. And right now I see more value to being a content creator. But I want to make sure that the trading content that I give you is worth your investment if I were to ever do something like that. So thoughts on Solnick, very bullish on Solnick. Arrow prediction 3220. All right, optimistic. All right, stock market tanking, Trump effect. Where's the Dow Jones? 38,151. I did talk about in my second most recent TikTok, if we saw the Dow close below 37,627, my sentiment is going to change. And I'm going to say, we're like, instead of being bullish for the summer or something like that, that I'm going to be crabbish or bearish for the summer, and that the thing that's going to send us higher would have to be the Fed lowering rates. But I don't think it's going to put in a lower low than 37.6, but we'll see. The Dow Jones at least. Make it expensive though. All right. Favorite cold wallet? I don't really have one. I like Trust Wallet. I trust it. No pun intended. All right, optimistics. STX entry. I did already look at it yesterday. I can't really give you one. It can certainly go lower. It's below all the moving averages. It's below a key level of support on multiple days now. It's very close, I think, to bottoming out, but I can't say that with any level of conviction. I want to see a higher high put in on the daily before giving you an entry on STX. So, yeah, but that's true, Dev Tuver. NASDAQ does look good. It's weird what's going on here, which is why, given the fact that the NASDAQ does look good, that's a big reason why I don't think the Dow is going to put in a lower low on the daily. So the bull flag I meant was on a longer time frame. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. You might be right about that, Ollie. Hey, just hopped in. Did I miss your thoughts on ICP? Do you think it will move soon? ICP has been slow, but it's very close to an entry, 1155. Maybe a wick below there. So thank you, blockchain. Blockchain bells. Is it a good idea to buy Brett now or wait until it drops? I wouldn't buy right now, seeing how much it's pumped lately. Yeah, give it a little bit. Will there be any token burn in the future for HEEHEE? It's possible. I mean, the bigger thing that I want to do right now is add to liquidity. So, Boj is scaring me. They're launching a V2. Should I go all out right now, or is there going to be another dip? All in? Here's the thing that I've been saying. It's not going much lower than where it is right now. This blue line right here. We can certainly wick below it, but that's $67,321. That's the change of character level. So maybe we'll wick below. Sinmin, I don't know anything about Sinmin. Do you think Ondo will give us 70 to 60 cents again? No, no. I think Bitcoin is 66.5 or 65.5 to liquidate longs and get more shorts in order to go higher. That's a wick below 67.3. Sure. Could it get to 65.5? It could. Liquidate some longs before a leg up. That sounds plausible. So, thoughts on Jasmy chart? Jasmy, resistance at that level there. That's 28.47. Blew right through it. I would expect at least a retest of 28.47 or 0.02847. Spinning top doji as of right now. There's plenty of time left today. That's a bearish candle. So, but now, yeah, let's see. Did the premium Discord start? No, it hasn't yet. Exit Velo. HEEHEE needs to get to a $10 million market cap, and then we'll be on fire in that Discord. I'm so bored. Man, I'm bored. I'm very bored. Crypto is boring right now. But then there's always that impending feeling of doom that will not come, but you feel like it's going to come, unless there's a black swan. What's your thoughts about Retake Finance? Is it a good product? I don't know anything about Retake. I'm assuming you mean Retick, but I don't know anything about that. If you had to choose Render, Rose, or Vanry, Render, but I don't know anything about Vanry. What's better for you on spot, Ondo or Arrow? I would say Ondo. Arrow can certainly put in better returns, but I just have a higher conviction on Ondo. Turbo is not boring. There's always something fun happening in crypto. Do you think TARS has $1 billion market cap in its future this bull run? Yes. Yeah. TARS price prediction, that's the best I can do for you. ICP market cap this bull run, over 100 million. Good entrance on Pendle. If you don't own any, I would just say get in, not financial advice. But it's a 624, maybe 595. I'd say under $6. You're good. I don't have a turbo price prediction. I'm sorry, Hussein. Not Hussein. Are you still bullish on Ethereum? I know it's hard looking at the chart. Nothing has changed with my price target, with my bullishness for Ethereum. Nothing. Not coin. I got nothing for you. The merge. I got nothing for you there either. Thank you, A. All right, I'm switching to sub only on TikTok. If you want to stay on this live stream, thank you for that confetti. Head on over to YouTube. YouTube World War Bitcoin. And you can stay in the live stream. But sub only in 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Brandon. Ondo price prediction again, 370, but that's too low. It's locked in. Was checking past drops of Bitcoin before Euphoria play. It has dropped from 40 to 50%, which we haven't seen already. Only a 20 is something, so it could drop at some point before the new leg up. I disagree because of the ETFs. Oh, yeah, and then that's your next comment, Bull. Yep. Thinking of swapping my H-bar for more Arrow or Ondo. I'm not a fan of H-bar this bull run, so sure. TARS at 1 billion would be a 65x. You know what, Tony? Thank you for subscribing or for whatever. I probably meant to say fully diluted. That's more what I was thinking. So, what is a methium? I have no idea what a methium. What's a methium? Are you bullish on being bullish about being bullish? Yep. Did you ever research virtuals? I did not. Alex, how about AVAX? Same thoughts as ADA? No. AVAX is going to be just fine this bull run. Not the same thoughts as ADA. I mean, ADA, I have more conviction on Avalanche than ADA. Sounds like chemical. Thank you. Thank you, Sassy. Market cap prediction for TARS AI. Somebody asked me if I thought that it could go to $1 billion market cap. I said yes, but that's fully diluted market cap, not current market cap. Thoughts on Proppy? RWA, very bullish on it. Have real conviction on HEEHEE. It's my 4th largest bag. Behind every great crypto, there is a great man. Then why do you have HEEHEE? That's a joke. Should I hold my pendles? Yes. You should hold every pendle. Thank you, Alamamas. Are you saying Ethereum just to be confused? I'm just confused right now, Paul. Somebody asked a question, what is Ethereum? And I answered, I have no idea what Ethereum is. How high do you think Ethereum can go next bull run? $11,689. Thoughts on avalanche-based meme coins or stick with Solana? It's a gamble. It's a huge gamble because maybe money will pour into the avalanche-based meme coins. They're pouring a lot of money into them. They really want people to get in on their meme coins so that money flows into the ecosystem. What do you not like about HBAR? Mo, I've spent so much time talking about it. I'm just going to say 3 things real quick. And watch my YouTube video. I go in depth on it. Thank you, Zach. Number 1, there's 4 times as much supply in circulation than when it peaked in 2021. Number 2, their supply is extremely concentrated to a handful of wallets. Number 3, they have these SAFT agreements. These people who bought HBAR at 0.0 at 1/10 of a cent, and then another round where they bought HBAR at 0.5 of a cent. Those people got their HBAR distributed throughout the bear market. When they got their HBAR, that's an instant 100x on their investment. That's who you're competing against, and that's all I'm going to say for now. Next bear market, I'm going to be buying a lot of HBAR. Who is Ty? Ty is a crypto content creator on TikTok. He has like over 500,000 followers. So, my grandpa last words was bye. That's funny. Any thoughts on Jasmy? I've talked about Jasmy a ton. My 11.5 cent price target seems pretty foolish right now, but it's locked in. It's locked in. So, which one is better long-term, Chainlink or Near? Near has more potential. I think Chainlink is a slow mover. It's going to always be a slow mover, in my opinion. So, all right, let's see. Sorry for being an idiot. What's the difference between fully diluted market cap and market cap? So a lot of cryptocurrencies will have a max supply, but then it'll take time for that supply to be distributed. So let's say that a cryptocurrency has a 1 billion token max supply, but their current circulating supply is 100 million. So then their market cap would be based off of the circulating supply, the 100 million. So let's say that the price of that crypto is $1. Its market cap is $100 million, but its fully diluted market cap is 1 billion because that's the max supply. So I bought Pendles thanks to you constantly saying it's good, and I'm in good position now. Awesome, Mohammed. That's great. Will ETH take off after the news about the ETF? It's already pumped really hard, and I think there's going to be a buildup. It'll go live in like July or August. So I think there's going to be a good buildup leading into when it goes live. You're welcome, Mo. I really need to change the auto renew. I'd appreciate it. Everything is red today. Only memes are up. I really don't care. It's one day. Couldn't find an option for that. Time made me lose a lot of money. Well, it just depends. I mean, when did you start buying? If you bought in March, then it doesn't matter who you listen to. You lost a lot of money. Dog is at 840 million market cap, getting close to $1 billion. I should have bought it. In crypto, what is crabby and what is a black swan? Crabby just means crab market, just crabs along. It's flat. Black swan is an unexpected event that happens that causes a lot of panic and sends the price much lower. So COVID was a black swan. Bitcoin went from like $8,000 to $3,000, but then, because people got a lot more panicked and were buying all the toilet paper for some reason, and then they realized, all right, this is serious, but it's not the end of the world. Then Bitcoin recovered pretty quickly, and the stock market. So yeah, Mo, you bought the top, so you could easily say you lost a lot of money listening to me. Which coin can get ETF next? I don't know. Litecoin? Solana? The war. Is the war a black swan event, though? Because we're all anticipating it. The nature of a black swan is that it's unexpected. You're welcome, Sassy. XRP. Maybe XRP is going to be the next one. So you wouldn't suggest to me to buy Jasmy at that price now? Nah. Wait for at least that level that I put on here. 2847, 0.02847. It was a good learning lesson. Yeah, I mean, as long as it doesn't cause you to leave forever. If Bitcoin breaks 67K with volume, we will see panic and large red candle. We'll see. I still contend that we will hold, at the very least, the 100-day EMA, which is around 65, 66 right now. Can you convince my dad to give me money so I can buy crypto? Absolutely not. Earn your own money and buy crypto. Do whatever you can do. There's 24 hours in a day. Even if you sleep for 8 hours, get off this live stream, get to work, make money, and buy crypto. Especially if you're single. You're single, you have a 9 to 5, and you're home, you get home, I'm so tired. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm going to get on Netflix, watch some movies. Stop having fun. Seriously. Have fun at the end of this bull run. Not right now. Just give up fun for like a year. It will be worth it. And then and buy crypto. I'm at the office right now. Cool. $10,000. What are you buying today? I don't know. How about Pendle, Ondo, Render, AOs, LCX, and HEEHEE? Yeah, Rick, crypto's boring. I can tell by the numbers in my live stream. Would you say that Dogecoin is a sleeping giant? No. It was a sleeping giant in 2021. Not anymore. HEEHEE first. There we go. Yes, Mo. Why do you think ISO tokens are a play for the next cycle? A lot of them are very highly inflationary, and I am anticipating, so ISO 20022 coins won't have to deal with the inevitable regulations that's coming. They're more compliant regulatorily, and so less inflation in those cryptocurrencies and that hurdle already being overcome, I think that they'll do well. You're waking Alamamas. You're welcome. Hello, Shabraj. When I hear Alex Costa talk so nice about XRP, that means a lot. I'm talking nice about XRP. I don't hate it. I don't love it. Paul, nice. I'm waist deep in crypto and retired. There we go. HEEHEE, a sleeping giant. Yep. Did you say $32 price target on Aerodrome earlier? Yes, I did. $32.20 is my price target. Ooh, you know what? I need to get ready for the space coming up. I'm gonna be on a space on X with the Solnick team, and that's coming up in 34 minutes. So I'm gonna run. I'm gonna eat some lunch and get ready for that. Obi coin. I don't know anything about Obi coin. 32 should be the target for HEEHEE. Yeah, 32 billion, no, 25, $24 billion. That sounds good. Looks like the ETF will be approved on Monday. I thought it was already approved. Do you mean it's going to be live on Monday? I did not know that. Link to that space. Yeah, sure. I mean, just go to WW Bitcoin on X. But I'll do that work. All right, see you guys on TikTok. There it is. All right. Thank you all for your time. I will see you next time. Have a good one.